Hello everyone, welcome to Software Engineering Lectures. Today we will discuss about the COCOMO model. So outline is first COCOMO model, second is a key parameter which define the quality of the software, third one is a mode of development. Now first of all we will discuss about the COCOMO model. So what is COCOMO model? COCOMO stands for constructive cost model. This is a cost estimation model in software engineering, and it allows you to input some parameters and get an estimate of the level of efforts associated with a software project. It was developed considering a waterfall process because it developed Barry Bohm. Barry Bohm also developed waterfall model. The COCOMO model is one of the most popular models cost estimation in a software engineering domain. Now, key parameters we define the quality of any software. Efforts. Efforts means what? Amount of labor that will be required to complete a task. Means how many person is required for developing the project, that is called efforts. Now next one is a schedule. Schedule means how much time is required for completion of your project, that is called schedule. So schedule simply means the amount of time required for the completion of your job, which is of course proportional to the efforts put it put. It is measured in the unit of time such as weeks, months. Modes of development. So Barry Bohm proposed the modes of development or categories the mode of development of software project. So first one is the organic mode. There are three modes, but first we will discuss the organic mode. Organic mode is what? A software project set to an organic type of the type if the team size required small, the problem is well understood, and the expert and experienced team is required in organic model. Now second one is a semi attached model. It is a medium model. Here medium team is required. Now next one is a embedded model. Large team is required for development of project. So here we can take the example of air traffic control or air traffic monitoring system. Now differentiate between development modes. Let's see how to categorize development mode. First one is the organic mode. So size, invention, deadline, and development environment. First one is the organic. Organic is a small, size is small. Then invention is a small also. Then constructive is a not tight, and environment is stable. It is a static model. Now next one is a semi attached model. Size is medium, invention is medium, then construction also medium, then environment also medium. Now embedded is a large size, then invention is great, development or constructive is a tight, construction is tight, and component or environment is a depend on the current. Now types of model. Kokomo model divided into three types. First is a basic model, second one is an intermediate model, and third one is a detailed model. So basic model, here basic model is a, here we require or we derived some formula, that is a E equal to a raised to 1 KLOC. KLOC means kilo line of code raised to B. So that A and B is a constant. This value is a constant. So it is a defined different types of estimation and different value of different category. Basic model have different value, intermediate model have different value, and detailed model have different value, and that value is a constant and predefined value. Now, advantages of Kokomo model. Kokomo is a factual and easy to interpret. One can delay understand how it works. Now, the drivers are very helpful to understand impact to the different factors. Now, there are disadvantages of Kokomo model. Kokomo model ignores requirement and all documentation. It ignores customers, skills, corporations, knowledge. It ignores personal turnover, and it is a dependent on the amount of time spent in each phase. So these are the type of Kokomo model. Now in next lecture we will discuss about CMM level I and Six Sigma. Thank you.